What is up, my friends? Welcome to your 29th Ruby tutorial. And the first thing I want to do in this tutorial is teach you guys about the each method. Now, the purpose of the each method is basically to loop through an array, and every time you get across an element, you can do something with it. You can either add a number to it, you can print it out on the screen, you can do whatever you want with it. So, the first thing we need is obviously an array. Now, go ahead and name your array Sally, or else this example isn't going to work. And let's go ahead and put a couple numbers in there, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Sounds good. Go ahead and hit enter, and now check it out. There are 5 different numbers in Sally. So now let's go ahead and loop through this array element by element. So in order to do that, go ahead and type the name of your array, which is Sally, and now write the name each. Now this is saying, okay, we want to loop through this array one element at a time. So now what we need to do, and you guys have probably seen this before, extract each element and store it in a variable called x. So the very first time you run through this, x is going to be equal to 10, then 20, then 30, 40, 50. It's basically going to loop through this 5 times, and x is going to be equal to a different value in the array each time. So now that we have x, what do we want to do with it? Let's just go ahead and do something incredibly stupid like print it out on the screen. So now go ahead and hit enter and check it out. It prints out 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So again, the syntax one more time, type the name of your array, then type each. This uses the each method, basically looping through your array. Now, for each of those elements, we want to store it in a variable called x, and then do whatever you want with those elements. Print them out on the screen, or do something else. Now, another key thing that you can do is, and this doesn't really have anything to do with the last one, but it's a common method whenever we're talking about arrays. It's to find out how many items or elements are in your array. Now you do this by using something called the length method or the length property. So let's just go ahead and print out the value on the screen. Puts cheese, or wait, that was from the last tutorial, wasn't it? Yeah, we're working on Sally now. Sorry, my memory's fading. I'm an old man now. Okay, so go ahead and write the name of your array and then write length. Now what this does is it basically counts how many elements are in your array and it prints it out on the screen. So go ahead and hit enter and we get 5. Why is this? Because check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the one thing I want to mention about this is it's different from just getting the value of the last index, because remember, if we were counting these the way our computer counts them through the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it would give us 4. But what this does is it counts how many elements total are in your array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty cool, huh? So actually, I have to talk to you guys about one last thing, but I think I'm going to save that for the next tutorial, and then we're going to be done with arrays. So I know this was a short tutorial, but in the next lesson, we got a bunch of new info coming. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.